Car remote control chips are small electronic components that allow drivers to remotely control various functions of their vehicles, such as locking and unlocking doors, starting the engine, and opening the trunk. These chips use radio frequency (RF) technology to communicate with the car's onboard computer and activate the desired functions. There are several types of car remote control chips available on the market, including rolling code and fixed code chips. Rolling code chips are more secure and harder to hack than fixed code chips, making them a popular choice for high-end car models. When choosing a car remote control chip, it is important to consider factors such as compatibility with your vehicle's make and model, range, and security features. If you have a demand for purchasing IC chips, please contact us for consultation and quotation.